Hello children, my today's topic is sentences and phrases. For class 3 children, I have taken from the lesson The Yellow Butterfly. First I will start with jumbled words. You have to arrange it in a sentence. After the Sonu ran, beautiful butterfly. I have written here, is the sentence correct? If not, how will you correct the sentence? First, let us know in the slide that the sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. So I am going to create a meaningful sentence. As I told you, after the Sonu ran, beautiful butterfly. The correct sentence is Sonu ran after the beautiful butterfly. Sonu ran after the beautiful butterfly. Now here you can see Sonu is subject and rest of the sentence ran after the butterfly predicate. So two parts are there in each sentence. One is subject and another one is predicate. Now let me tell you kinds of sentences. Simple sentences are called declarative sentence. Just like the butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. Here first letter will be capital, T is capital, and at last you have put full stop. This is declarative sentence. Second is, where was the butterfly? W capital, WH question is there. Then at last we have put question mark. That is called interrogative sentence. When I am asking any question, that is called interrogative sentence. Off flew the butterfly. Here some expression is there, feeling is there. Off flew the butterfly. That means that is very sad that I wanted to catch the butterfly but it flew off. That some expression is there, that is called exclamation. So exclamatory sentence, you start the sentence, first letter will be capital and at last exclamation mark. Then comes fourth imperative sentence. Shut the door. Shut the window. Bring your pen. When some order is there, that is called imperative sentence. So, four types of sentences I have written here. Declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence. I have explained you. Now, on the table. On the table, some words are there. Is it a group of words? Yes. Is there any subject or predicate? No. Is it a complete sentence? No. Now, how will you complete the sentence? Here is on the table. But how will you complete the sentence when you add subject to it? Books are on the table. Books are on the table. The picture is also there. Books are on the table. Books, subject. On the table, books are on the table. Books, subject, are on the table, predicate. But here I have written on the table. It is a kind of phrase having incomplete sense. On the table is a group of words. On the table, group of words called phrase. But it has no complete sense. Just like tick the correct. Here picture is there. In front of the tree there is a cat. So which one is correct? In front of, instead of, in between. In front of, here you can see a cat is in front of the tree. So in front of is correct. Instead of, that means when we replace something. Instead of going to school, I went to market. In between, a child is standing in between the two trees. In between two trees. Now here, let me take some phrase to use which I have taken from your English lesson. That is the word, you can see the picture also, splash into. Splash into. When we just jump into the water and enjoy the water. Sonu went splash into the water. Here you can see the picture. Flew off. Here you can see flew off. Butterfly flew off from one place to another. Flew off. Flew off, it is a phrase. It does not have complete sense. When we put in a sentence, we get a complete sense. Butterfly flew off from one place to another. Looked up. The child is looking up the butterfly. That means she looked up at the butterfly. All these are past. Looked up. Now here comes looked down. Sonu looked down everywhere for the butterfly. Here you can see the picture. The child is looking down for the butterfly. Now sat on. Here you can see the butterfly sat on a pretty flower. Sat on. All the words I have taken second form of verb with preposition. That is called phrase. Phrasal preposition. Climbed up. Sonu climbed up the tree. Here you can see Sonu climbed up the tree. Climbed up. Then wanted to. Sonu wanted to catch the butterfly. Sonu wanted to catch the butterfly. Then you can see caught in. The butterfly was caught in the spider's web. The butterfly was caught in the spider's web. When word is verb and we add preposition to it, that is called phrasal preposition. Tried to. Sonu tried to reach the butterfly. Sonu, in both the cases, here also in the water, Sonu tried to reach the butterfly. Here also in the garden, Sonu tried to reach the butterfly. In the middle of. So, who is there in the middle of? In the middle of? The spider is there. In the middle of the web was a spider. Everything I have given you the example from your book only to make you understand. Here running after. Group of words having no sense. Frame in a sentence. Sonu is running after the beautiful butterfly. Here I have written present in a present form. Now floated in. It is also a past form. The round leaves of lotus floated in the water, or you can write floated on the water. In this way, here I am going to explain you the phrasal verbs with look. Look after, that when we look after something, take care of. I look after my parents. Look around. When we search something around us, I am looking around my car. I am looking around my things. Look back. To remember the past. I never looked back, or I never look back of the past, or I always look back and think about my past. Look for, try to find out. I am looking for my books. Look up, to pay a visit after some time. Look them up next time you are not here. Here some phrases are there. Look after, look up, look down, look into, on the table, under the table, morning walk, full of red rose. So you prepare your own sentences using all the prepositional verb. Look after, look up, look down, look into, on the table, under the table, morning walk, full of red rose. It is very interesting that we all should know about the phrase. We can complete the sentences using such type of phrase, and we will learn about their use. So go on practicing, read out your lesson thoroughly, and you will find out it is a very interesting thing to use the phrase in a sentences. Many phrases are there, okay, just like in front of, just like climb up, just like bring about, just like bring up. So in this way many phrases are there. Whenever I will take up your lesson, I will go with phrase. Okay, phrase is here. I have taken the phrase, some phrases I have taken along with the verb, splash into verb as well as preposition, flew off verb as well as preposition, looked up verb as well as preposition, looked down verb as well as preposition, sat on verb as well as preposition, climbed up verb as well as preposition, wanted to verb as well as preposition, caught in verb as well as preposition. All these are phrases. Tried to, some sense is there but complete sense is not there. When we put it in a sentence and we get complete sense in the middle of it, is a total you can say it is a starting of the sentence, we can use phrase. In the starting of the sentence we can use phrase. So we can take up or we do practice regularly through the lesson, and we will learn about the sentences and the phrases. In the next lesson I will take up with phrase again. Till then, bye.